This example, we're looking at number 46 in the section 2.3 of the book. The area of Brazil's rainforest, R equals F of T, in millions of acres, is a function of the number of years, T, since 2000. So in part A, we're asked, again, similar to some other problems, to interpret f of 9 equals 740 and f prime of 9 equals minus 2.7. So we're given f of 9 equals 740 and f prime of 9 is negative 2.7. So what this means, t, our input variable t, is years since 2000. So this means in 2009, Brazil's rainforest, the area of Brazil's rainforest was 740 million acres. So I'm not writing the entire statement here, but you should. In 2009, the area of Brazil's rainforest was 740 million acres. F prime of 9 equals negative 2.7. There's a couple things we need to think about here. Again, we're still talking about 2009 because the t value is 9, but the fact that it's negative, the derivative is a rate of change, and the fact that the rate of change is negative means that we are decreasing. The area is decreasing. And this gives us by how much? So in 2009, the area was decreasing about 2.7, what were the units? Million acres per year. So another way of looking at this was df dt, so that the units on the derivative are the units of f, which is millions of acres, per unit of t, which was year. In part B, we're asked to find and interpret the relative rate of change of f of t when t equals 9. So the relative rate of change is similar to what we talked about in chapter 1. But the big difference is we're going to use, instead of change of y, we're actually going to use the derivative instead. So we're going to look at t equals 9. We'd be looking at f prime of 9 divided by the actual value. And this is usually given as a percent. So in this case, we're looking at negative 2.7 over 740. Because again, 2.7 million acres, it might not sound like a lot. Maybe it sounds like a tremendous amount. But this can give perspective. And the negative 2.7 divided by 740 is about negative 0.00365. And so what we're talking about is in 2009, the area of the rainforest was shrinking about 0.365% per year.